Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Have you done your homework given in the previous class? I hope you have done your homework. Let's enjoy our online class. Welcome to my class. I am going to introduce you Muhammad Abdur Razzaq, Assistant Teacher, Shreyasganj Power Development Board Secondary School. I will take class English for today. Classes 9, 10, Unit 8, Lesson 1, topic the Shat Gambuz Mosque. Look at the pictures and think about them. What can you see in the picture? Mosque. Look at the pictures and think about them. Bagerhat, a place. Khan Jahan Ali's Mazar. Look at the picture and answer the following question. What is this building? Answer, this is a mosque. Do you have a building like this in your town, public village? Answer, no, we don't have. What do you call? We call it Shat Gambuz Mosque. What is it for? It is for saying prayer. So, dear student, I hope that you have understood that our today's lesson is the Shat Gambuz Mosque. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to ask and answer questions about the picture, infer meaning of some important words, read and understand the text, complete the chart with the information from the text, describe a place. The interior decoration of the mosque. Dear student, now I am going to give you some vocabulary. First of all, heritage. Heritage means tradition. Sentence, our heritage where the past meets the future. Outskirts. Meaning of the vocabulary is the outer parts of a town or city. Location of Khalifatabad. The mosque city. So the sentence is Khalifatabad is situated at the outskirts of Bagerhat. Dense means thick, congested. These are the dense mangrove forest of Sundarbans. Infrastructure means framework. This is the infrastructure of Cornofuli Bridge. Reservoirs means a large natural or artificial lake used as a source of water supply. These are the reservoirs of Bagherhat. Column means a tall pillar made of stone. Slender means thin. Few slender columns of the building are still amazing. Look at the picture and read the text and complete the chart given after it. Heritage is what we inherit from the past, live with in the present, and then pass on to our children or future generation. Our unique source of life and inspiration is our cultural and natural heritage. When we speak of old heritage, it indicates places and sites that we inherited from the past and pass on to the future generation of the entire world. The Shadgambus Mosque in Bagherhat is such a heritage. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Originally, the historic mosque city was known as Khalifatabad. It is situated at the outskirts of Bagherhat town, not very far from the dense mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. Khalifatabad was a Muslim colony. It was founded by the Turkish general Saint warrior Ulugh Khan Jahan in the 15th century. The infrastructure of the city reveals significant technical skills in many mosques as well as early Islamic monuments. Baked bricks were used for the construction of the building. The planning of the city was dominated by the tradition of Islamic architecture, and the decorations were a combination of Mughal and Turkish architecture. Khan Jahan Ali built a network of roads, bridges, public buildings, and reservoirs to make the city habitable. There were about 360 mosques in the city. Among them, the most remarkable is the multi-domed Shad Gambuz Mosque. The mosque is unique in the sense that it has 60 pillars that support the roof with 77 low-height domes. The four towers at four corners have smaller domes at the top as well. The vast prayer hall has 11 arched doorways on the east and 7 is on the north and south for light and ventilation. It has 7 isles running along the length of the mosque and 11 deep carves between the slender stone columns. These columns support the curving arches created by the domes. The thickness of the arch is 6 feet and above, slightly narrowing hall and round wall. The west wall in the interior has 11 mihrabs, niche in mosque pointing towards Makkah. These mihrabs are decorated with stonework and terracotta. The floor of mosque is made of brick. Besides being used as a prayer hall, Khan Jahan used mosque as his court too. Today it is one of the greatest tourist attraction and one of the best architectural beauties of Bangladesh. Now complete the chart with the information of the text. Shadgomus Mosque information. When 15th century, founded by Ulugh Khan Jahan Ali, number of domes 77 domes, number of pillars 60 pillars, arches 11, thickness of the arches 6 feet, mihrabs 11 mihrabs. Dear student, we have learned about Shad Gambuz Mosque and now I am going to evaluate. I hope that you have understood the pages clearly. First, I am going to give some questions and you will try to understand. What does heritage refer to? Answer, heritage refers to the things, sites, buildings that we get from the past, live with the present and passed on to our children or future generation. Next question, who founded the city and when? Answer is, Khan Jahan Ali founded the city in the 15th century. How did Khan Jahan Ali make the city habitable? Khan Jahan Ali made the city habitable by building a network of roads, bridges, public buildings, and reservoirs. Moreover, he built around 360 mosques in the city. Number 4 question. The vast prayer hall served different purposes. Explain it in 2/3 sentences. Answer is, the vast prayer hall served as both the court of Khan Jahan Ali and the prayer hall. It is also used to praise Islam in the area. Dear student, look at the picture and homework. Look at the picture of the Star Mosque in Dhaka and read the information and write a description of the Star Mosque with the help of the given clues. Location, Dhaka, Abul Khairat Road, style Mughal, number of domes 5, decoration, different sizes of stars on dome, built by Mirza Ghulam Pir, a respectable Jamindar of Dhaka, time early 18th century. So dear student, thank you very much. Goodbye. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.